Hello and welcome to another Python tutorial, and in this tutorial I will be talking about variables. Variables are one of the most used and useful things in Python. Variable simply stores the values that you give them in the memory, and you can use it anytime you want in your code. To define a variable, you can simply type a word or name or anything. For example, my name. That will be my variable name. To store any value in it, put equals to and anything that you want to store in them. For example, I'll put my name. One more thing before I move forward, there are certain limitations while giving variable name. You cannot use hyphens in variable names. Underscores are allowed, but you cannot use hyphens. You cannot type space in the variable names. Most commonly, camel casings are used. You cannot start a name with a number. You can put numbers in between the variable name, but you cannot put in the beginning of the name. You cannot use symbols in your variable names, or you cannot use quotes, comma, full stop, all those things in the variable names. Now, when you want to use a variable, you simply type variable name, and you can use the values, whatever value that you give the variable, and it will replace the variable name with that value. For example, if I type now here, I don't want to type my name. I have saved my name in my name variable. So to use that, click plus my name. Now when I run it, you can see my name variable have been replaced with the value that was given to the variable. Let's define another variable. Current balance, and say let's say 60. Yeah. Now when I run it, you can see there is an error. The error is because we are trying to add a integer to strings. The Python will give you an error because it cannot combine numbers and strings. To solve this error, type str in parentheses. Type current balance in between str and parentheses. This will solve this error. What it does, it simply changes its data type from integer to string so that it won't show an error. There are other conversion functions. You can convert strings to integers to floats. Let me give you more examples on conversion functions. Let me show you something. Print when I type current balance, it will show the data type of current balance. When I run it, you can see it says class integer. It is an integer. Now when I typed str, it changes it from integer to string. In between, let's say current balance in place, you have a decimal number or float 2.0. When I run it is also converted to string. Originally, As you can see, it is a float type, but when you type str in front of the float, it is converted to strings. You can also convert strings to integers. For example, let's type age. Instead of integer, let's type it in form of number 20. Print 10 plus age. Now when I run it, it will also show an error that unsupported operand types for integer and strings. I am trying to add integers with string, which is not allowed. To fix the error, simply put integer in front of age, and now when I run it, you can see it prints 30. 10 plus age, and it is 30. So with the help of this, you can convert one data type into another. It is very useful and it will come very handy in upcoming tutorials. That's it for this tutorial. In the next tutorial, I'll be showing you how to take inputs from the user and put it on the screen or use it in your program. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one.